Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's time again for our Stamp of the Month Club reveal. I almost said scripture. This is not our scripture club. This is our original club. And yes, I did do a live at 3 o'clock, but we went an hour and 35 minutes. And I know you don't want to sit through that, so I am refilming it. But stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you about a contest using this stamp set or other products. So there's two contests I'm going to tell you about at the end of the video. So this is my stamp set reveal. And I have to tell you, I'm in love with this set. It is very Maymay. It is very me, and it's putting me out there for you guys, okay? It's probably the most unusual set I've ever done, and I love it. And you're going to love it too, and this one's going to spark a big contest for you. So this is your first of the month club set, the one that ships on the 6th of the month. If you are a club member, it is already shipped to you and on its way. If you're not a club member, the leftovers are available in the store. Now, there's not a whole bunch of them right now, but there will be more because we will order more in, but you want to grab what's left. So you ready for this? This is a set you're going to use on everything. Here you go. This set is called Maymay's Two Lips. I think it is hilarious, and I'm telling you, it is very Maymay. So the sentiments say this: you're pretty special. Sure am missing you. Bet you rock this day. You are the best friend ever, and you heard it from my two lips. Here's the thing. I don't know. I love lips. I think it's a thing. And everybody has always commented on mine, and I thought it would be funny to do Maymay's two lips. Also, everything you say comes from your two lips. So you don't just have to use these sentiments that we gave you with the set, but you can use "you heard it from my two lips" on anything. And you don't even have to use the lips with that. It still makes sense because if you say happy birthday to somebody, they get it from your two lips, right? So I'm going to show you my samples, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the set and the contest we have coming up. So the first sample, this is the very first card I envisioned whenever we made the set. I think this is so fun. So this is the big caption line right here, and all I did was stamp the caption on white paper, and then I just cut directly up from where the caption ends, and I get this bubble. The cool thing is this: because of the way we did this, if you want to say something big, like a big old sentiment up here, you can move this down with your cardstock because you just stamp this at the bottom ever how long you want your cardstock to be. So then, let's say you want to use a big old sentiment with it that's not one from the set, you have all that space to do it. I decided to make this one this long, but it could go all the way down the card because of that caption bubble. So cool. And remember, you don't have to use it with lips. You can use the caption bubble with anything in your sets, okay? Really cool. We also give you a smaller caption bubble that can be used the very same way, and you can use this with in a different direction. See how this one goes this way? This one can turn the other way, so if you wanted a smaller sentiment. Then you have all of these lips and mouths. They're not just lips. I wanted to give you more than that. So if you look here on the set, you have a lip with, like, somebody said this was like whistling, or this one's like whistling, I think, and this one's kind of like puckered lips. This is an open mouth with teeth, and I'm going to show you a sample using it in a second, which is so cute. Let me bring this up to you. So it's an open mouth with teeth. Can you imagine, this is my favorite, if you had, maybe your child is going to the orthodontist for braces for the first time, maybe your grandchild is getting braces. How cute would it be to do this one and then put braces on here, maybe stitch them through or use like baker's twine to put the braces? I think that'd be so cute. And use "bet you rock this day." Oh, that would be so cute for that. Oh, I love it. And then this one is an open smile. So cute, pretty pearly whites there. This one is the one I think somebody said looked like whistling. This one's just a little bit open, and this one's just a set of closed lips. I did not want them to be too sexy because that's not what we're looking for. We just wanted it to be kind of fun and comical, because you're going to have that person in your life that is going to want the stamp set on a card. They're going to want you to use it. A guy, a best friend, something tongue-in-cheek. So there is the first one. I also want to bring this up close and show you that I use the lips to make the designer paper in the back. And I use the little tiny, tiny lips, which you also get these little tinies, which Michelle called minis. You get lips, a heart, and a star. And this little guy is a cheek. So if you stamp the lips and you stamp that little cheek on either side, it makes it look like chubby cheeks. It's so cute. So there is "sure am missing you." And when you open it up, it says "you heard it from my two lips." And notice that I stamped that little lip above it. I think it's adorable. Y'all, the uses are endless. Okay, remember how I told you I was going to show you this one with the teeth? This is so funny. So I was looking on Pinterest for inspiration, and there's one that was a graphic where the mouth was biting the piece that it was showing, and I thought that was so cute. So all I did was I stamped the mouth on white cardstock and then colored it, just the lips. Then I cut it apart and used the bottom teeth here and the top teeth there, and I think that's funny. And if you have friends like me that are funny and they like to be like just silly, I think this is a fun way to do it. You're the best friend ever, and on the inside, you heard it from my two lips. Love it. Then I made a tag, and this tag is super fun. This tag, what I did was I stamped all of the lips onto white cardstock. Then I colored in with black Sharpie, but I colored one set of lips in so I could say happy birthday from that one set. And then you can tie this onto a package, right? Now, the contest that I want to tell you about with this, because I honestly believe that the possibilities with this set are endless. I can't imagine something you can't say from your two lips. Like, we even joked earlier in the live show that I should have paid attention to the time on. We even joked that I have friends who have such a sense of humor that I could even use this for sympathy. Not everybody. I could not send this to everybody on a card, but I do have friends that have that sense of humor where it would actually make them laugh and feel better. But I can't think of a time when you can't use it. Happy anniversary. Happy birthday. You're the man. I'm so proud of you. You're my best friend. Thank you for everything you do for me. You heard it from my two lips. I can't imagine where you can't use this set, especially this caption bubble. I can imagine using this caption bubble in this way, like I showed you, with our stamp set that's called Big Time Sayings. If you did the caption bubble bigger and put like hugs or sending you hugs, that would be so cute in this big old caption bubble over a piece of paper. I think it'd be adorable. So the contest, I want to see what you come up with this because I think you guys are going to rock this out. I have not done this specifically with a club set in a long time because a lot of people told me they weren't in the club and it wasn't fair. So stick around. I'm going to make the contest fair. Everybody's going to have a chance. Here's what we're going to do. If you make a card with this stamp set in particular, the two-lip stamp set, we want you to share it with us over on our customer gallery on our website. We're not running this contest through Facebook because not all of you are on Facebook, but all of you can go to our website and not have to be on a special social media for it. So you'll go to our website, and I'm going to do this. There's a red bar, okay? In this little section, it says More. You're going to hover over More. The drop down is going to come down. You'll see Gallery. Click on Gallery, and then you can upload your project. Every time you upload a different project, it's one entry. So you can upload as many projects as you make, but each one has to be different, and each one is a separate entry. So don't put like 4 in one photo because it'll still only be one entry. The prize, are you ready for this? Because I want to see you guys rock this out. The prize is a $50 gift card to our store. The contest is going to be open all the way until April the 5th at midnight. The reason for that is we're going to announce the winner in our next video, which is going to be April the 6th when we're showing the next club reveal. That gives an entire month for you to receive the set and make at least one project so you can be in the contest. So that is contest number 1. Contest number 2 is for anything we carry in the store. So if you have cardstock that we carry in the store, even if you didn't purchase it from me, if you go to our customer gallery and you've made a project with that cardstock, make a post showing it. That's inspiration for everybody coming through our site, but it also gets you entered to win. Are you ready for this? Another $50 gift card. This is a separate contest, okay? So if you do an entry with the two-lip set, it's a separate entry. All right. Anything outside of that is an entry to the other contest. So you have the same length of time. We're going to announce both winners at the same time, and it can be anything we carry in the store. Cardstock, the scissors that you use, the glue, the tape, your block, if you have an acrylic block that we use. If you use your Misty, we carry those in the store. You don't have to specifically buy something from our store, just a product that we carry. And be sure to link those products because that's how people get inspiration from our customer gallery. So 2 contests. In the description below, I'm going to leave a link to a blog post that explains all of the rules of the contest. I want you to be able to see that, and it gets muddy in the description box because it's so much, and I have 2 contests that I have to put the information in. So head over to the blog post that I will link below to get all of the information. So there's your club set. You guys are going to rock this out. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. And if you saw my live show earlier, I did a video showing you another card that I think is so cool, and we did a little test of it. I'm going to save it and do it in another video for you guys to see it separate, because again, I don't want this one to be so long, because a lot of you guys only come to this video for the reveal, and I wasn't thinking when I did such a long live show, and I apologize. So here you go, club set. Now you've seen it and you don't have to watch forever, and 10 minutes is much better than an hour and 39 minutes. All right, guys, I love you very much. I hope you enjoyed the stamp set as much as I think you're going to, and I cannot wait to see what you do. Somebody's got to do the one for somebody getting braces, because I think that'd be adorable, and I just really want to see that. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.